Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to download files from Google Drive. So a file is a resource for recording data in a computer storage device. That means everything that is stored in your computer is a file. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now let's go to the Google Drive. Now as for the Google Drive, you can access Google Drive from any browser you want. You can also access Google Drive from the Microsoft Edge. However, the prerequisite is that you need to have a Gmail account so that you can open your Google Drive. So now this is the file we uploaded. So now let's say I want to download this file. So now for downloading this file, what I have to do is I have to right click on this file, then just simply click on download. Now the file is downloaded. Now if I click on the open file from here, see, this is the file that we uploaded with the same informations. Let's just compare quickly. Okay, and let's see. So this is the file that we downloaded, and this is the one that we just downloaded. If you want to see where the file is, all you have to do is go to your file explorer, then just click on downloads, then you will see the Google file.txt. So if you click from here, you will see the document. So this is how you can download file from Google Drive. So every time you download, it will be on your downloads directory. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to download files from Google Drive. Thank you for watching.